Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Galaxy A14 5G smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Samsung. So as you can see, this is the slim box, so there's no charger in it. So now quickly open it up. So here in top we get this small box, and inside it here we get the SIM ejector pin, and if we see inside it, so here we get some reading manuals, and this is the USB type C to type C cable, which is a really good thing. Okay, keep this aside, and guys, you can see here's the font itself. Here's the font itself. It is in dark red color. The black and light green color is also available. So as you can see, that's all we get. So keep this aside and come to the font. So here's the font itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover. So here's the font itself. If we talk about the design, so you can see guys, the design is looking really good. Here you can see it has texture design. You can see it has texture design with its stylish minimalist design, and it has you can see the design is looking really good, as you can see. And if you talk about the weight of this smartphone, it is 201 gram, and the thickness of this smartphone is 9.1 mm. And if we talk about its physical overview, so in top we get the noise cancellation microphone. On this side we get the volume up and down and power on off key with side mounted fingerprint sensor. And on bottom we get the main speakers, USB type C port, main microphone, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. Okay, do it again. So here we get the triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And on back it has triple camera setup, 2 megapixel, 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Here we get the 2 megapixel, 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera over there with LED flash. And on front it has 6.6 inches full HD plus 90 Hz high refresh rate display with 13 megapixel camera over there in infinity V display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and the phone is starting. As you can see, this is the main screen of Galaxy A14 5G smartphone. Okay guys, we get the 90 Hz high refresh rate display there. So just quickly check out the performance. If we talk about the performance of the smartphone, display performance, check this out. As you can see, the performance is really good. The display performance, if we talk about the display performance, it is really fast and responsive, as you can see. Yep guys, the display performance is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about its camera performance, after it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with this smartphone. And after camera, if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, check this out. I put finger and it quickly unlock the phone. As you can see, I put and it quickly unlock the device. As you can see, yep guys, the side mounted fingerprint is fast and responsive. As you can see, it is really fast and responsive. I put and it quickly unlock the device. As you can see, here I put and it quickly unlock the device. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocked the phone. Okay, I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocked the phone. So the guys, both face unlock and side mounted fingerprint, both are really fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of Galaxy A14 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.